Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks. How old are you?
I'm 25. How old are you?
I'm 23. What do you do for work?
I work as a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student. I'm studying business. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. I enjoy helping students. Do you like studying?
Yes, I do. But it can be tough sometimes. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing football and watching movies. How about you?
I enjoy reading books and going for walks. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. How about you?
I have two sisters. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. How about you?
I like pasta. Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee. What about you?
I like tea. It's more relaxing. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. I want to visit Japan someday. How about you?
I've always wanted to go to Italy. What's your favorite place to visit?
I really like the beach. It's so peaceful. Do you enjoy the beach?
Yes, I love the beach too. So relaxing. Do you like pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets?
I have a cat. Her name is Luna. Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend. What's your favorite movie?
I love The Lion King. It's a classic. Do you like action movies?
Yes, I love them. The more action, the better. Do you prefer morning or evening?
I prefer evening. It's more relaxing. How about you?
I'm definitely a morning person. I feel more productive. Do you enjoy cooking?
Sometimes, but I'm not very good at it. What about you?
I enjoy cooking. I like making pasta. Do you have a favorite hobby?
I love drawing. It helps me relax. Do you have any hobbies?
I like playing video games and cycling. Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy tennis. Do you play any sports?
I play football with my friends. It's so much fun.
That's cool. Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer. I love the warm weather. How about you?
I like winter. It's cozy and I love the snow.
I can see why. It's nice to have a warm drink on a cold winter day.
Exactly. Do you like reading?
I do, but I don't have much time for it. What about you?
I love reading, especially fiction. It's my escape.
That sounds nice. I wish I could read more. Do you have a favorite author?
Yes, I really like J.K. Rowling. Her books are magical. How about you?
I enjoy reading mystery novels. Agatha Christie is one of my favorites.
Oh, I've heard of her. I should try reading one of her books. Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, I enjoy cooking for my friends and family. It's a great way to bring people together.
I agree. It's nice to share a meal with others. Do you ever cook for special occasions?
Sometimes, especially for birthdays or holidays. How about you?
I cook for family gatherings, especially during the holidays. My mom loves my pasta.
That's awesome. Do you like celebrating holidays?
Yes, I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. Do you like holidays?
I do. I really like New Year's Eve. It's exciting to start fresh.
I get that. It's always nice to have new goals. Do you make resolutions?
I try to. My resolution this year is to exercise more. Do you make resolutions?
Yes, I want to read more books and stay organized.
Those are great goals. Good luck with them.
Thanks, Ben. Good luck with yours too.